There's a plant that's in my garden, which I really wonder why I didn't discover earlier. I think it's because nurseries don't really want you to know about this plant, because once you've planted it, it stays pretty much forever. Ever since I got it into my garden, which was by chance, the gardener actually brought a few, and now literally I can have as much as I want. Because
amazing thing about these plants is that they're perennials, so there's no need to take them out the change of the season. If you take out your summer plants and winter plants at the change of season, nothing, just leave these and enjoy them. They spread on their own. You can hear the seeds popping, or you can actually harvest the seeds. You can what I do mostly, which is much easier, I take out the small plants and move them to where I plan to do up the flower bed in a more organized way, and it's so easy. And they don't even go into shock. They seem to just carry on the way they were at the other place. They're not fussy about soil at all. I haven't fertilized the soil under them out here. Maybe a little bit of a spray of liquid fertilizer, seaweed with the other plants sometimes. But otherwise, they're not fussy in any sort of way. Watering is like any other of the normal plants. In fact, sometimes the other plants start drooping, but these stay fine. They stay absolutely okay. And what color combination Mother Nature comes up with? Mauve, white, and pink. Brilliant. I mean, they're super hardy. Only cat spray, the territory spray markings is what I've seen that has killed them.
I just wanted to show you, this was day before yesterday. We had some crazy downpour. The whole place was flooded. You can see the plants are almost water submerged. They put up with that. They put up with 50 degrees Celsius last summers. Yeah, it went to 50 degrees, and then it went down to about 2-3 degrees in the winters. They put up with everything. They've been around for about 2 years now.
They're called Mexican Petunias, but they're not petunias. However, they're every bit as beautiful. So my suggestion would be, next time you go to the nursery, ask for them, or just get them from somewhere where you can find them.